Hello, friends. Back with a poem from my book, The Show Must Go On. There was a film made a long time ago, and the title of the film was How Green Was My Valley. And I think I had that at the back of my mind when I thought of these lines, and the title of this one is, Oh, my valley was a deep green. I spent the first 15-odd years, a lot of the time in Kashmir. My father used to drive us from Lahore, where I was born a long time ago. And the summers were spent there and the winters as well. And my sister and I and my father and my mother, wonderful times, and sad to see the state of the state now, what it was in the old times. But I think what I said just now could apply to the whole world. I mean, we are in an awful cauldron of fire and brimstone and fighting. Every morning you get up, what do you see on television or newspapers? I mean, it's the same, whether it's Russia, Ukraine, or Hamas, Palestine, or Congo, or Lebanon, or Yemen, or wherever you like. I mean, it's just ghastly and it's awful. And yet the wise of the world, what shall I say? I can't say don't care. They do, I hope. We're all meant to be caring beings. But anyway, here is the poem, and I hope it makes people think of childhood. We forget that. Show me one child that you know or ever seen or heard of who is not God's good child. What happens to us when we grow up? Unfortunately, today it's a money game. My view, but that's what I feel.